Get set to transform your document formatting. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through switching between Roman and standard page numbering styles and creating a neat table of contents. If you are new, hit subscribe for more hand tips to jazz up your document. Now we will start by inserting page numbers. So go to Insert, then from Insert, we go to Insert Page Number, then we select bottom of the page, and then we select any numbering style here. But since the preliminary pages mostly meant to be in Roman numbers, we are going to page format and change or format the page numbers to Romans. So this is where we change them. Select Roman numbers, and that's how you do it. Click OK, and they'll be converted to Roman numbers. Close the number headers and footers. Now we can see from the preliminary pages, they are labeled in Romans. But now we want introduction to have a different number style. Introduction and the other pages. That means we are going to apply something we call section break immediately in introduction. So click there, the beginning of that page, then go to page layout, click breaks and insert a continuous section break. Once you insert a continuous section break, you may not see it though. Now double click the page number which you want to change. This is Roman 4. Go to page numbers, format page numbers, and apply the normal numbering style 1, 2, 3, and then click OK. You'll find that it starts from number 4, but we want to change it to start from number 1. Again, go back, format, and continue numbering from start at 1. Then click OK. So that's how you insert different page numbers or number styles in the same document. To apply table of contents, we need to format all headings using the styles in the header in the home section. So select the second one, declaration, and then click heading 1. Go to the next header or heading, acknowledgement, and then select heading 1 again. Go to introduction, set it as heading 1. Inside introduction, we have a smaller header or title, and therefore we label it as heading 2. So any heading inside another heading, we can label it as heading 2, or a subtitle, we call it heading 2. So the same applies to chapter 2, which is system analysis. This is heading 1. Then anything inside system analysis, we can label it as heading 2 or even heading 3. But for my case, because it is demonstration purposes, I'll label them as heading 2. So you keep on doing the same thing up to the last heading. So for quick navigation, you can view or use your included headings by going to View, then selecting Navigation pane, and our navigation pane will be displayed here such that when you click any heading here, you'll be directed to the page direct instead of scrolling. So I think it will be good if we add some flavor in our heading such that we apply some numbering like the one you can see here. So just go to Home tab, then select the multi-level list and select one of these 2 header sections. Any of them can do, and automatically it will be applied in all of them. Sorry for that mistake. Undo, select again that one, then go to multi-level list and select one of the numbering styles, and dedication will be labeled as number 1. Let's see the next one. Automatically will be number 2, declaration, 3, acknowledgement, 4, introduction. But introduction should be 1. It is topic 1. So restart at 1. That means chapter 2, which is system analysis, will be automatically be 2, 2.1, 2.2, and so on and so on. So we have already done the most important part. The last part is inserting table of contents, and therefore we are going to insert our table of content between acknowledgement and introduction. Therefore, position your pointer at the end of this paragraph. Go to Insert tab and insert a blank page. So this blank page will contain our table of contents, and inserting a table of contents is just a matter of a click. So click there at the beginning. Let's go to references and then select table of contents, the first tab. Select any of the two automatic, either 1 or 2. I prefer the second one, and all included headings will be added here without any effort. So you can choose to format the heading ones with bold, and all of them will be bold, all heading ones, and leave the headings 2 as I want them. You can even set them as italics, no problem with that. So that's how you insert table of contents. Big thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial made your document work easier. Remember to share, like, and drop a comment below. If you loved it, consider buying me a cup of tea by just clicking thanks button. Your support truly means a lot. Keep crafting those awesome documents. Bye bye.